and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Ramchandra Mule's panel re-elected on Goa State Cooperative Bank. It's Mule panel 9, Fuldesai panel 6. Tug of war to pull up newly elected directors on. All eyes set on government's next move. Union government yet to denotify 3 notified SEZs in Goa. File unmoved since past 3 years. Status of 30 lakh square meters of state land stuck up in SEZs still unclear. IDC busy in complaints watch report. Police and district administration extra cautious during Eid festival. Livid MMSs and SMSs spreading communal disharmony. Banned in South Goa. Collector imposes ban under Section 144 CRPC. And former International and EPL star reveals how England career slipped through his hands. Changing managers affected my playing chances, says former Gunners and Spurs striker Rohan Ricketts. And now the news in detail. Ramchandra Mule's panel has made it again on the Goa State Cooperative Bank. In the poll held on Sunday, Mule-led panel defeated BJP MLA Fuldesai panel by 9 versus 6. An independent candidate has also been elected. Now all eyes are set on the government's next move, as the Chief Minister Parrikar had warned to appoint an administrator if the same ruling panel is re-elected. Tug of war was on between the rival panels till late night to pull up the newly elected directors. Police are already investigating the case filed against Mule for alleged irregularities, and rumours of Mule's probable arrest were in the air during the poll. Ramchandra Mule's panel won the Goa State Cooperative Bank election. 9 members were elected from Mule's panel. Mule expressed his emotions over the victory. The rival group and BJP MLA Subhash Fuldesai's panel lost the election. However, efforts by the panel are on to rope in directors from the other panel.
आम्ही 15 कॅन्डिडेट फिल केले, तर आमचे 2 बिनविरोध दिले. 13 आम्ही कॉन्टेस्टांक आशिल्ले आता. 13 पैकी आमचे नाव येले. नावांचे आणि त्याच्या ऑपोजिट पॅनलचे 6 येले आणि हे ऑपोजिट एक इंडिपेंडंट येयलो. असे आमचे पॅनल येयल्ले आसा. पण काही एकला कोण कितें समजा तेजे राजकीय एकला कोण आयचे जे चेअरमॅन वायस चेअरमॅनचे इलेक्शन आशिल्लें तें आयज करपाक मेळना. तरी सुद्दां आमी सगळे मागीर बसून आमी डिसायड करून मागीर चेअरमॅन वायस चेअरमॅन जातलो. आमचो एक तो दोतोर बॉटबॉय आमच्या पॅनलान निवडून येयल्लो. त्या पॅनल तो सद्या तरी नाच खंय गेलो म्हणटा डॉक्टर दत्ता भट. म्हाजी इतली इच्छा आशिल्ली गोवा स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव्ह बँकेचे इलेक्शन जावचे आणि इलेक्शन आमी शेड्यूल केल्ले 17 एप्रिलाक. त्या प्रमाणे आता इलेक्शन जाल्ले आसा, रिजल्ट येयल्ले आसात. म्हाका कशें करून लोकांनी मेजॉरिटी नांव दिल्ले आसा ती वचो मागीर, पण नांव दिल्ले आसात.
ते आयज सांजचे म्हजे कडेन आयले, तांच्यान थंय निवडणुकीचेर बहिष्कार घालो. त्यामुळे निवडणूक अध्यक्षाची आनी उपाध्यक्षाची जावंक शकूंक ना. म्हाका दिसता 7 दिसान केन्ना तरी ती निवडणूक परती नोटीस काडून 7 दिसान परती येतली. आफ्टर 7 days there is 7 days period required for notice. 9 जाण म्हजे कडेन आयल्या, ते तुमच्या समोर आसा आनी आनीक 2 जाणांनी जे प्रत्यक्ष आयले की मागीर प्रेजेंट करता तुमच्या समोर.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe. 3 notified SEZs in Goa are still not scrapped. Central government is yet to denotify the 3 SEZs in the state even after 3 years of scrapping state SEZ policy. The then government led by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had scrapped the state SEZ policy in 2009 and had intimated the centre to denotify the 3 notified SEZs in the state. While IDC is busy filing complaints for the alleged SEZ land scam, the status of land worth 30 lakh square meters stuck up in SEZ is still unclear. Watch this report. State had approved 7 SEZs in year 2006. IDC later allotted land to this SEZs, which is claimed to be more than the required. Union government had notified 3 SEZ out of this 7. Meditep Specialty Pharma SEZ,
K. Raheja SEZ and Peninsula Pharma Biotech. Goa government gave a go-ahead for construction of 3 notified SEZ in year 2007, but in 2008 the public opposition to SEZ and state gained momentum. People hit the streets opposing SEZ. Pressurized by the opposition, government led by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath took a decision to scrap the SEZ policy in 2009. State government immediately intimated the centre to denotify the 3 notified SEZs in the state. In November 2010, High Court's verdict upheld the government's decision to withdraw SEZ policy, stating that the land allotment to the SEZ was illegal. In December 2010, Union Commerce Minister Anand Sharma forwarded a file to the Union government recommending cancellation of 3 SEZs in Goa. Later in January 2011, all 3 SEZ companies approached the Supreme Court challenging the scrapping of state SEZ policy. Now the case is before the Supreme Court. Court has ordered an interim status quo. Even after Goa government's request to cancel 3 notified SEZ, Centre did not act for almost 13 months. The files was with the Commerce Ministry till December 2010. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has recently assured the State Assembly that IDC will take over the SEZ land and it will not be reverted to the original owners. While IDC wants the deal of SEZ land allotment to be probed by the police, the status of almost 30 lakh square meters of SEZ land is still unclear. Our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent Media.
The South Goa District Administration and police are extra cautious this time during the Eid festival, considering the rumors spread MMSs and SMSs. MMSs and SMSs which may spread communal hatred or any kind of livid messages have been banned in South Goa. The collector has imposed the ban under Section 144 of CRPC considering the Eid festival.
Spread this fake MMS or SMS who may create communal tension in the area. We impose Section 144 CRPC, circulating, forwarding and viewing such SMS and MMS which are create communal harmony in the area.
Eid festival is round the corner. The festive mood of the people should not be disturbed due to such livid messages. The South Goa Police Superintendent's report has recommended this ban on rumor spreading MMSs and SMSs to avoid any communal tension or disturbance to communal peace and harmony. Considering the report by the Superintendent of Police, District Collector of South Goa N.D. Agarwal has issued the order to ban such SMSs and MMSs which are likely to disturb communal harmony. Circulating or forwarding and viewing such MMSs and SMSs has been banned by order. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.